No, more angled out. Okay. It's sliding, isn't it? Just stop. Ready? Yeah, it's already going. We can start whenever we want. See what I said? You're too worried about getting the perfect clip. Start the fucking clip and run what you're gonna do.
You're really starting to hurt my feelings.
No, I'm teaching you.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to head to my boy Chris's house. I will link his channel in the description. He does Harley stuff and builds his Harley. So today I'm gonna go take my helmet over to his house and we're gonna mount a GoPro that I just recently got. I got all this stuff and I don't really know how to mount it. And I know that guy's a pro at it. So we're gonna take this GoPro over there so I can start motovlogging and also getting some content with me driving so I can actually have the GoPro on and talk at the same time. So without further ado, let's go head over to Chris's house. All right, y'all. So we just pulled up Chris's house with his killer Kia and his slow Harley. Get out. Hey Chris, how you doing? Can I get a shout out on TikTok? Okay, thanks. Now he's saying that he's gonna make me do it and I have no fucking idea what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna try to do this. I'm gonna try to do this and not fuck it up.
You're gonna fucking learn today.
Thank you.
Let's clip off all that. Why is the lid on? No, more angled out. Okay. It's sliding, isn't it? Just stop. Ready? Yeah, it's already going. We can start whenever we want. See what I said? You're too worried about getting the perfect clip. Start the fucking clip and run what you're gonna do.
You're really starting to hurt my feelings.
No, I'm teaching you.
So this is the mic set that we got from Amazon. Comes with all these goodies. We have a bunch of wiring that I'm not sure what it's used for, but Chris is gonna definitely help me with that. We got this fuzzy thing that goes over the mic. We've got the microphone itself. I'm using a GoPro Hero 4 and we're gonna have to drill into this case, and then we have these mounts that I got from Best Buy.
Perfect. It's not working! Yet.
I don't know why you're yelling at me. You said I was supposed
Go fuck yourself.
This countertop's in for me.
No. That's a perfect angle.
Damn, dude. Damn, boy.
Damn, boy. She thick. 360 no scope. And we're still playing with this. This took me like fucking 40 minutes on mine to get it right, so.
You got a couch over there.
We're not sitting down, because then that means you don't do anything. You're already not doing anything.
What have I been doing this whole time? I've been showing you my sick dance moves.
Somebody stop me from playing Fortnite, please. Stop! Wait, is there more angle on the other side? There's more angle on the other side! Can we go even more in? Oh, that's fucking sounding hot. Wait, yes? No? Can't because of that. Can't because of that. So that needs to be turned around. That means this one needs to be turned around. This means I want to cry inside my brain. Assembling GoPros with Ryan. Sweet sounds of dishwasher. What the fuck? Dude, why is everyone ask that? I keep this out because you never know.
Put it in the cupboard.
No, I leave it out for people like you that get upset with things being left on counters. It's bothering you bad, isn't it?
A little bit. Just thinking. Just imagining you sitting on my fucking chair. Eating popcorn.
Grease hole. Oh, I fucking just sit there.
Yeah, you watch
Cool.
fucking hentai on it. I know.
And there's a problem? I got over a fucking bunch of people that'll fight you on that. Hey, look at that.
Hey.
Fuck the club up, fuck the club up. What? Fuck the club up, fuck the club up. What? Fuck the club up, fuck the club up. What? Fuck the club up, fuck the club up. What? Boom, 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 boom. One song, one song, one song.
Welcome back to the regular camera, guys. Show's about to be wrapped up here soon. Don't worry. Blur that out.
Fuck you. Boop. That's a nice ass fucking spot too. If anyone's ever riding near him, just hit this red button so his dumbass goes like this.
Or on Chris's bike on the right handle. If you ever see this guy, I'll post a picture right now of his bike. If you see him, there's a button on the right side. Just hit all the buttons and see what happens.
They're gonna
Hit
die.
the gas. Hit the gas.
They're gonna
Take
die.
off.
They're gonna die.
He's too slow to catch you.
Oh, I don't gotta catch you, boy. I'll find you. You gotta be quicker than
we
that.
have Toyota Priuses that run on one cylinder that are slower than this guy.
That are slower than me.
Good thing you said we could pop out. Hey, we got Toyota Priuses.
No, you ain't popping that out. That's natural and raw. That's some good shit. Fuck. Yeah, that's good right there. Don't subscribe to his channel.
So, alright, so we got this mounted. Our next step is we have to drill a hole for the microphone. I don't know if it's going to be here or here. Give it like 30 seconds, y'all find out. You look like my first grade teacher.
I hope I am.
Alright, y'all, and just like that, we got a GoPro set up with the mic in the helmet. Here, I'll show you guys really quick. Hey, Chris. All right, so we got the GoPro mounted. We got the wires led in. What he did was he lifted up this piece of foam right here, and he led the wires. He cut out a section, and then he tucked them in there. So we have a microphone in there, and we have a microphone cover so you don't hear the wind. So now I'm about to slap this on and take it for a test drive and hear what it sounds like.
Thank God.
Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
That's it. And then you can look through your helmet and see that going. If you have anything shiny on your bike, you can look down on it and see it.
You should be able to see that. Can you see that? That's how you'll know it's recording.
Okay.
Go for a ride.
Are we live right now?
It's live.
We live, babe?
We're doing a test run. Make sure that strap's tight or you're not going to feel it.
I'm just gonna go around the block.
Go around the block, come right back. We can hook it up to the thingy.
All right, hopefully this doesn't sound like shit. Hopefully the bike sounds badass.
The mic's got to be able to hear you, so talk in different tones of voices, high and low.
Yes, Dad, thank you.
Scream, don't scream, talk muzzle.
Okay. See if she starts up first try. Oh, oh baby. All right. Back it out. Hopefully I don't fucking fall over. Okay. I need to chill the fuck out. Honestly, adding this GoPro to the helmet doesn't really make that much of a difference. It's still pretty comfortable. It's not really in my way. Just hopefully when I decide to go fast, actually fast, it doesn't decide to just kick up and get out of the way. Yeah, damn Prius drivers. Come on, man. Come on, man. Doesn't that thing come with a fucking turbo? Alright, you know what? You know what? back, baby. Smells like bitch in here.
Boy, if you don't get...
Okay, stop the recording.
What button is it? This?
That button. Now it's not recording.
It should be.
Now it's recording. See the red light? Can you see that? It means you're recording.
Thanks for the help. I'll see you later. Give me a fucking shout out on your TikTok or else.
I'll think about it.
Okay, thank you. All right, hopefully I'll see you tonight.
Maybe if we roll together, I can do that. Because, you know, I shout out James because he rolls with me and he's in my shot. So that's when I will shout you out.
All right.
You're in the shot.
All right, I'll see you later, dude. Thank you for the help.
Have fun. Okay.
Oh my god, this thing fogs up so much. This angle's probably booty. Oh, I'm gonna run into the grass. Somebody help. Uh-oh. Okay, we're good. We're good. For part 2 of the day that we have planned, I'm gonna go pick up my roommate and we are going to go take a trip on the bike. Hopefully it's not too sketchy because it'll be the first time that I actually pick someone up on this bike for the back, and we're gonna go on about a 20-minute trip out to Sanibel. It's actually very beautiful out there, so we're gonna go there, probably get some pics and hang out, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Uh-oh. Alright, y'all, just a quick update before we go on this little trip on the bike. I wanted to show you guys the Gixxer that I'm rebuilding, because this thing is actually about to be wrapped up here pretty soon. So let me just flip the camera for you guys and show you what we got going on. So this is the 07 Gixxer 750 that I bought wrecked, and as you can see, I have parts under there, over here. I think I stored the rest in my closet, but you can't even see in there. So we have a bunch of parts. We have everything ordered for this bike to be completed. So it's not going to be in today's video. In the next video later on, probably going to be next week or something like that, we're actually going to start digging into this and get this thing running, because I was playing with it the other day and I actually got it to want to start to turn over. So next week we're going to dig into this, hopefully get it 100% complete, and then I will have 2 riding bikes. So we'll get into that later. Hey, yo, what's up, guys? This is like a couple days later. I'm now editing the video, and I realized this video is going to be like 15 minutes long. It's a lot longer than I expected, so I'm going to cut the video to right before I got home and picked up my roommate to go, and we're just gonna make that video its own video of me and her going to Sanibel Island. And I also have some bad news about the bike, so let me just flip the camera for you guys really quick and show you what I got. So I got a text message the other day from my roommate saying, it was actually a picture of the bike laying on the ground. And we have pretty shitty cement here where I live, and it just busted a hole, and this is also missing the flat part. So it busted through the cement and it fell on its side and it broke the shifter lever. So I have to order another one. I have to order a brand new one of these before I'm able to actually make more motovlogs. So hopefully I can get something overnighted or in here pretty quick so I can get back on to doing those. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.